Hi, it's your girl Hunchovb VB. I hope everyone's having a great day today. Well, today we're going to make some good old smothered cabbage and potatoes and sausage in the Ninja Foodie. This is going to be like a one-pot meal. So come on, let's get started. So I have my potatoes. I'm going to chop up a cabbage. I'm going to add some onion, chop up an onion. I have sausage. I got the fully cooked, uncured kielbasa. I'm going to only use one of the links. I guess that's about a pound. I'm going to add some tomatoes. So I'm going to chop up some tomatoes. And we're going to add some spices. So first let me get, I've washed my potatoes and everything. So let me get the cabbage chopped up, the onion, and the garlic. And then I'll come back and tell you what spices we're going to add. Be right back. Okay, I got everything cut up now. So I have my sausages cut up and the baby red tomatoes cut in half. And you see the cabbage is in here. Okay, so for my spices, I have 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, teaspoon, I think that's a half a teaspoon of red pepper. You can, you know, based on how hot you want it. I have a 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. I have a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I chopped up 4 cloves of garlic, and I have a half a tablespoon of Mrs. Dash. I also have 1/4 a cup of white balsamic vinegar. If you don't have that, just use regular vinegar. I have a half a cup of water, and I have some cherry tomatoes and a whole onion chopped up. So let's throw all of this into the Ninja Foodie. Okay, I'm adding my sausages and onions and cabbage. Okay, I just added my sausages, potatoes, and cabbage. Now I come with my onions and tomatoes. The spice and garlic blend. The 1/2 cup of water. And the 2 ounces of vinegar, white balsamic. Okay, let's get this going. Okay, on, pressure, high. I'm going to do 3 minutes. And like I said, make sure it is in the seal position. Okay. Start. Be right back. Okay, I'm going to do a 10-minute natural release. Okay, let's take the top off. Yum. Okay. See, your cabbage is not cooked like mushy. Oh, this looks good. Oh, yes. Okay. I'm going to get this plated and give it a taste. Here we go, guys, with the finished product. It smells amazing. I just like the way it turned out. You see, you got your tomatoes, potatoes, and your onions in there. And like I said, you see that your the cabbage is not mushy, and that was the goal. I was trying to make sure that the cabbage was tender and not all mushed up, and it's the way it should be. Okay, I'm still trying to let it cool a bit, and so let's give this a taste. Okay, guys, look, it's piping hot, and I got a napkin underneath to hold the bowl because it's so hot. Okay. This right here is putting a smile on my face. Potatoes, see, nice and tender. Well seasoned. If you notice, I did not use a lot of salt but the whole dish is well seasoned with the other herbs and spices that were added. It tastes a piece of sausage now. Okay, this would go good with a piece of cornbread. Unfortunately, I don't have my cornbread. This is good. Guys, I'm going to have to join you later. Guys, I hope you like this video. Give this dish a try. It's really good, not fattening, and it will fill you up. So if you like this video, click like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Peace.